I'll be reviewing the HO Scout trains. First, let's go into the garage. To the back door. Oh, okay, never mind, it's not done. But it's something else that you guys. So like this, it's one of my neighbors. I'll go get myself a chair. Okay, I'm back. Now we're going to review my trains. Oh damn it, there's a wasp in here. No, I'm in the garage. So it's flying around. Oh shit. Oh never mind, that's a fly. Okay, anyways. So, let's start with the HO scale vehicles that I currently have. First, like the HO scale road vehicles and then the rail vehicles. Since I just want to do it. So nobody asked for this, I'm just reviewing this. So yeah, that's my Go Boss that you guys have seen previously. There was a review over this, yeah. But nobody has ever reviewed this bus. This has never been reviewed in YouTube, and I'm the first one to review it. Even though this was made in October 2018, and right now it's like August 2020. I'll be reviewing my buses in the yard. I'm sorry, not my buses, my trains in the yard. Well, then go train only. I'm gonna make a review later. Part 2 of it. Of 2020, the review. Part 1 is basically where I review my cars, and part 2 is basically. I said part 1 is where I review my locomotives, but part 2 is where I review my vehicles. Actually, not my vehicles, my train cars. So reviewed outside. Here's the first one. Oh, it's so hot. So yeah, this is Essence main line also has this, but like his one is a number 8 or number 6, I think. Well, this one's a number 3. Yeah, it runs. We're gonna do a video of this running later. I previously made a video of the GO train running, but it wasn't running that well. But that has been fixed, so I'll make an improved edition later. I'll get my second locomotive. This is my second locomotive, which many people asked for on my previous channel. It's numbered 513. It says go over here, which it usually doesn't. Like usually it says nothing here, but like the person I got it from, custom painted it. There, back. Yeah, these fences have problems. Yes, they always move. I'm meant to come off wheels. And yeah, this is a vintage locomotive. That's why, like, same with my other steam engine. Like, this is all my trains are vintage. So yeah, this is like part one's gonna be my locomotive power, the powered units, and the unpowered units is going to be on part three. So, yeah. It's an EMD of 40 ph, as like, what I can tell.